Hi, it's me. I just ordered a pack. I ordered something from a training website, but it's not. It's gonna be a really cool unboxing today. So let's get started. Let's go. Okay, here we go. I have here the new Exactrail 64 Reefer, and I'm gonna open it up. So here it is, right here. It's the new 64 modern day Reefer right here by Union Pacific. And it's pretty well detailed. And there's another YouTuber that already did a review on this, and Al Mayo even did a weathering video on it too. And so, but this is my first Exactrail car right here. This is my first car, so I'll probably be ordering another one maybe in the near future. So yeah, basically this is my first Exactrail car. It's the phase 1, 2 as well, and but anyway, this is it right here. It's the new car that I've been seeing on video, and so basically this is it. So everyone have a good day, and that's about it. Bye bye.